Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across a backup failure error where the shadow copy cannot be created when attempting to create a backup image of your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Start menu. Type in services. Best match should come back with services right above app. So go ahead and left click on that. So the first service you want to locate is the block level backup engine service right here. So go ahead and just double click on that. You want to set the startup type to automatic, and if service status is stopped, you want to select the start option. So start that. Give it a moment here. And then once that's done, select apply and OK. Again, that might take a moment, so just be patient. And now the next service we want to locate is the remote procedure call service. So scroll down a little bit. Right here, double click on it. You want to make sure startup type is set to automatic. If for some reason it's not, you want to switch it over to that. And if service status is stopped, you want to start it. They're all grayed out in my case, which is fine. They're already running, which is what will be one. And now you also want to look for the RPC endpoint mapper. So scroll down a little bit here. Double click on that. Again, just like the last one, you want to make sure it's set to automatic and running. So again, pretty straightforward. And close out of here or select apply and OK if you had to make any changes. And go down to the Windows backup service. And double click on that. Startup type, set that to automatic and start the service. And then select apply and OK. And once you're done with that, you should be able to just close out of the services window here. Open up the Start menu, type in File Explorer. Best match should come back with File Explorer right above App. So go ahead and left click on that. Select your local disk on the left side. So go ahead and just left click on that or just select it. And then right click on it and select Properties. Select the Tools tab. And then underneath error checking, this option will check the drive for file system errors. Select the check option. So it might say that you don't need to scan the drive. I would suggest selecting scan the drive nonetheless. So go ahead and select that. It will take a minute or two, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, you just select close. Would suggest restarting your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching. Do hope I was able to help you guys get your backup up and running. So once you restart your computer, attempt to relaunch the backup utility, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.